This video is going to be an unboxing video of the M Audio Keystation 88 MIDI keyboard controller. Some of the video clips have been sped up 110, 120, even 130%. If it looks a little bit jerky or choppy, you'll know why. I just didn't want this video to be any longer than it has to be. There's nothing that great about unboxing a MIDI keyboard controller. As you can tell, you just cut around the outer parameter. I know some people like to see unboxing videos so they can see, how well it was packaged. This particular product came to me from Amazon in the box you see right there, which is exactly how you'd get it if you bought it at a local music store. There wasn't a shipping box around it, which is okay. There was no damage to it. You can see the Keystation 88 keyboard controller right there. Everything looks fine. Here we see it compared to my older MIDI keyboard controller. You can tell it's a lot bigger. The keys feel a little bit better too. They're obviously not fully weighted keys for the price point of $180. The Keystation 88 does not come with a power adapter. Having said that, you can power it with a generic cell phone power adapter, provided the power adapter can make use of removable USB cables. The M Audio Keystation 88 does come with the USB cable. So that's a nice feature to have. You don't really need the power adapter, so you wonder why they put the DC 9-volt power adapter port on the rear of this particular product. The USB cable obviously can be connected to a computer. It would power it that way, plus it would transfer data. You can see there's a MIDI out. I've already connected this to my Yamaha MU50 sound module, and it worked fantastic. If you're curious about my MU50 sound module, I'll try to provide a link. You can tell it's got the connections for a sustain pedal and a volume pedal. So this MIDI keyboard controller can do quite a lot, obviously. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the on and off or power button is in the rear. I'd prefer it be more in the front, but it is what it is. This video was just supposed to be a quick unboxing video and a real quick review saying I think it's a good product for $180. I haven't ran it through its paces yet. I hope to do a full review in another 2 to 3 weeks where I test out some of the free software that came packaged with this particular product. I believe it's a light version of Ableton Live and a light version of Pro Tools. I also want to do a demonstration using it with my Yamaha MU50 sound module. If you think those videos might be interesting, you might want to subscribe to my channel.